Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your GameSir Nova Lite to Xbox Series S in 2026. So GameSir Nova Lite is not natively compatible with the Xbox S series because Xbox requires officially licensed controllers for direct connection. So you should know that you can't actually connect this particular controller directly either using Bluetooth or via USB. Even if you plug it in, the console will not recognize it as a valid input device. So to make this work, you will need another adapter like Cronus Zen. So when you have it, you can connect the adapter to the Xbox Series S using the USB port. Now you can connect your GameSir Nova Lite to that adapter, and then you can do this either via USB cable or Bluetooth depending on the adapter's supported models. Now you can follow the adapter's setup process, and this usually includes connecting to the original Xbox controller for authentication and updating the adapter firmware. So once connected, your GameSir controller will be recognized through the adapter. Finally, you can test the controller in the Xbox menu or a game to confirm everything is working properly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.